Hello everyone, this is Vaishali. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel RT Party DIY. Today we are seeing these beautiful clay dolls which are made from the waste poster color bottles. So, all these dolls are made from this bottle. The bottles are in the center, and these are some beautiful water candles which are also made from the empty poster color bottles. This is the upcycling project which I am bringing many creations for, especially for Diwali decoration. This is the set of 5 dolls which I have demonstrated in the video. So please watch the video till the end. I hope you will like this video and this creation. This is quite interesting, unique and easy and useful. So please give it a try and stay tuned for more such upcoming projects which are made from the waste and is going to be useful for Diwali decor. So before any further ado, let's start. Please like the video and feel free to share. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Crafting. Bye bye. This is the set of clay I need for making the doll, first doll, and that's the empty bottle. We are going to start with the neck, and this is the neck. I'm inserting a wire in the clay and putting the glue before that, and this is the head portion which I'm going to stick to the neck. Every time make sure you are using the glue to have the firm hold. So my head and neck portion is done, and now comes the shoulder part. So make the triangular shape and put it on the bottle to get the shoulder portion, and then I'm going to stick the head, neck to the shoulder. So this is the main upper body, and then it comes the leg portion. So these are the thread I used for leg, just to have loose legs so that it can be movable. And now I'm going to use the yellow color top here. So roll and cut the clay into a rectangular shape. Put the glue before sticking the rectangle on that, and then roll it around the bottle. Make sure you are using glue every time before sticking anything, as we are using glass base here. So it might come out once it dries. So please make sure that you are using glue. Then you can put 2 or 3 layers of such wires of clay just to have the neck design of the top. So it is as per your wish. I just placed 2 snakes and then start giving the texture to the top. So any texture as we have seen earlier we can use. And then moving to the skirt portion, we are going to roll the clay and cut it in the rectangular shape. Use the comb for uniform distancing to cut the strips. So this is done, and then start cutting the strips which would be almost uniform in shape. stick all those strips at the bottom as a skirt. And then make the oval shaped balls as a shoe and place it on the thread of the legs, and then start making the hands and stick it beside the shoulder. This would be good enough. So and almost body is ready. Now we are making the hairs. So take any color clay you prefer for hairs. I took this brown and then start making hairs this way. You just have to put the strips on and then give the texture like this. And our doll is almost ready. Now we can just make a tiny hair accessory, and we can add any other decor if you wish, pearls and all. So this is the hairband, tiny and cute. Now put the lips and eyes, and that's all. The doll is complete. Same way we are going to make other dolls as well with a different skirt, and I am going to show you how these skirts are made of different dolls. So let's see. And now we are making the water candles with these empty bottles. So paint any color you wish. I like this black and golden combination, so I colored it with black. All the bottles I had, and then painted it this way. Now cut a small circles from the waste plastic bottle to insert the wick, so that we can leave the wick in the bottle. You can use any cotton thread as a wick. So I had this thread and I am going to use it as a wick for the candle. So make a hole in the plastic circle, insert the wick, cut it as per the desired length and add some water. 1/4 of the bottle you will add water, and then it will have the layer of a oil, any cooking oil. So oil will be at the top and water will be at the bottom. Now leave your wick in the bottle and your water candle is ready. They look absolutely amazing and quick and easy to make. Kids will enjoy making it. So please share it with your kids and let them experiment.